Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing my Stanley snack. So let's get all the materials that we need. We have our container. We're gonna do grapes, strawberries, a snack, and something else. By the way, I forgot, we don't have strawberries. So the snacks is some grapes. Snack break. By the way, purple grapes and green grapes. Delicious. We have nacho cheese and hot Cheeto puffs and Stanley topper on a star smoothie. Bye guys. Happy Sunday.